What is Tableau? Tableau is a data visualization tool that helps people see and understand data. It is used by businesses of all sizes to analyze their data and make informed decisions. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence platform that helps people collect and analyze data. It is used by businesses of all sizes to make informed decisions. Why use Tableau? 1. It is easy to use. 2. It is powerful. 3. It is versatile. Why use Power BI? 1. It is integrated with Microsoft Office. 2. It is powerful. 3. It is affordable. Importance of Tableau. 1. Improve efficiency. 2. Make better decisions. 3. Increase profits. The importance of Power BI is also the same as Tableau. Job openings and salary for Tableau. There are many job openings for Tableau professionals in India. The average salary for a Tableau professional in India is 6 lakhs per year. Job openings and salary for Power BI. There are many job openings for Power BI professionals in India. The average salary for a Power BI professional in India is 6 lakhs and 50,000 per year.